Guys, what's up? So in today's video we are looking at Adam Smith and his contribution to management, in which we mostly talk about division of labor. Alright, so let's get started. In 1776, Adam Smith published a book called The Wealth of Nations, in which he basically told us the economic advantages that an organization or society would gain from division of labor. What's economic advantage? Economic advantage is basically your monetary advantage. You get more money, alright? Or you get more opportunities to get money. What's division of labor? Division of labor is to break down a job into narrow and repetitive tasks. It's also called job specialization. In this one, you take a long job, and you break it into small tasks. He actually gave the example of the pin industry. He said that 10 individuals, if each one is doing a specialized, separate, small task, could produce around 48,000 pins a day among them. However, if each person worked alone doing the whole job, as in there is no division of labor or job specialization, then they would hardly produce 10 pins a day. Do you see that? Like 48,000 and now 10 pins a day. So that's your division of labor or job specialization. How does that happen? He concluded that this increases productivity by increasing each worker's skills and dexterity. Dexterity is basically the skills in which you have to use your hands. Saving time lost in changing tasks and creating labor-saving inventions and machinery. Currently, it is a very popular phenomena. Let's take an example of kitchen. Alright, if there is a restaurant, it's very likely that one person is going to cut the vegetables, the other person is going to cook them, and then there would be third person who is actually going to serve it in the plates. And then there are waiters who are going to talk to the people who are arriving in the restaurant, and they are also going to serve these food to the customers. Everybody is doing one task, and they are becoming specialized in it because they are doing it every day, right? Repetitively. So they become specialized in that task. Understood? And that's why their productivity increases. They are becoming faster in their specific task. They are becoming better. And along with that, they don't have to change. Let's say at home, when you are creating the same dish, you have to cut the vegetables, then cook it, then serve it, and even wash the dishes by yourself. So do you see? You are not getting specialization and you will take a lot of time. Alright, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!